So guys, if you're using Android version 11 on your device running any kind of custom ROM, maybe if you're using Corvus OS, if you're using Evolution X, if you're using any other kind of custom ROM based on Android version 11, you might felt that you need Mi camera installed on that one if you want to use this 48 megapixel or 64 megapixel. If you need all those features which you get in MIUI camera are present available in this. Now we have the update and I'm gonna shift to the zip file link which is required to install this ANX camera. Talking about the features, we have almost all the features available. Some basic features are just working perfectly fine. This is actually MIUI camera, or you can say MIUI 12 camera, but actually named as ANX camera. Everything else is same in my case. Ultra wide angle, depth sensor, macro, everything else is almost working perfectly fine. Doesn't matter if your device is supported or not. If you install this, you will definitely get this voice shutter, which is unfortunately not working, but that's of course not a big thing. The main thing is photo, ultra wide, some lenses, or you can see the video mode, etc. All these things are working perfectly fine. The macro lens is present there. Tilt, shift, straighten settings, you can try out anything from here. And the settings, if you talk about the watermark, yes, the watermark is present and you can customize your own watermark. I've tried and enabled and that was just working perfectly fine. By default you will see by ANX camera, but you can change it to custom watermark. It's up to you. I have applied all these options, and if you talk about the settings, there's some little bit of disadvantages, or you can say some changes which I got here, like this. The things which are not showing perfectly fine, these things are not correctly showing here. I don't know why. I'm not sure about the colors, I'm not sure about anything else, but things are missing from here, looking like missing but actually not missing. So not properly visible, but it's of course not a big thing. The main thing is the features, etc. working. Not every feature, by the way, and also depends upon which device you're using. If you're using a device which is perfectly supported for this, you will see every feature will be supported on your device. But if you're using any other device, and if in some case ANX camera started working on your device, let's just check it out that if all the features are working for you. Maybe all the features will not work. Some basic features should definitely work, like camera, photography, ultra wide, video mode, macro, slow motion, etc. You can try out all these features on your device, but everything else is just same here in this bit which I have tried till now. I tried and tested video mode, etc. Everything was just working perfectly fine. I got the 1080p, 30 fps, 60 fps, 4K, etc. Everything else which I got pro mode, where we have the 48 megapixel main thing. In my case, I am using and I tested it on my Redmi Note 8. So in my Redmi Note 8, 48 megapixel, etc. is just working perfectly fine. This is one which I am using. This is how it is showing like. As you can see, Ultra HD preview is just working fine here, no issues in this one. And also, as you can see, the custom watermark Redmi Note 8 by Tekken, I've tried that custom watermark which is working perfectly fine. And you can use the custom watermark, or you can use the default device watermark. You will see ANX camera by default, and all these things I have already shown you. And as I previously mentioned you, I will provide you the official website link. You can give it a try. And how to install this, it's actually quite simple and easy. You simply need to install it as a Magisk module. I'm not gonna show that how you can install a Magisk module. It's quite easy. Install from storage, select the file, and you're good to go. After installation, you simply need to reboot your device. The thing should definitely work. If it doesn't work, you can try out giving manually permissions also. Everything else I've already shown you. These were the things I just wanted to let you know. Link is in the description. This is all. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.
Over the edge, feel like I'm floating through the air.